Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I am going to show you a very simple and super tasty street food.
You can make it in 5 minutes.
So this is palak. So I bought baby spinach. So I'm going to use only the leaves. If you can use baby spinach, that's fine, or you can use the normal spinach bunch also. So that's going to be a little bit bigger. So if you want small leaves, you can use baby spinach. With this spinach, I'm going to show you a delicious and yummy, super tasty, super simple chat item. Let's start the video. Before that, if you're watching my video for the first time, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. Take a bowl, add around 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour, that is besan flour. To this add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. This is store-bought rice flour, just 1 tablespoon. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of baking soda. To this add very little of ajwain seeds or carom seeds. This is very good for digestion. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all these together. Add water little by little and make it into smooth paste without any lumps.
That was easy. At the easy
Do not add too much water in the beginning itself. It's hard to mix it. It's ready. So this is the consistency.
Like water, but a little bit thick.
Yeah, like a bhaji batter consistency.
And like pancakes.
Now let's fry this. So take spinach leaves. I've taken around, this is only like 100 grams of spinach leaves. So take one leaf, remove all the excess batter and then drop it in the oil.
Like a book.
Turn this to the other side. This will take only 1 to 2 minutes to cook because it's very thin batter and the leaf will cook really fast. Let's take this out. So I'm going to fry all these leaves, then I will show you how to assemble. Same. So I finished preparing the fritters, the spinach fritters. Now I'm going, what we need is this save. I have already posted a video how to make this save. I will give you the link in the description box below. You can refer this and prepare this. You can have it as it is. It's a super crunchy noodle. My kids love it. Let's assemble now. Take a plate. So assemble the leaves here. So I'm going to put 4 on each side.
A4 sheet, okay? A4 sheet, just put a sketch of this one, whole diameter, center to center width.
You can assemble how many you like. So these are all the crisps when you fry. Reserve this. We are going to assemble it at the end. Now we are going to take some chopped onion. This is the crisp that from the pakoras, and some grated carrot. Add some onion.
Eat some onion.
Add some carrot.
Eat some
You
carrot.
can add even beetroot as well in this.
And you can eat even beetroot in this.
The crisp from the fried thing.
Eat crisp.
So I'm using this green chutney. This is store-bought chutney. You can make this at home as well. And I'm using a date tamarind chutney as well. This is store-bought. I will show you how to prepare in future videos. Just little bit on top. It's going to be spicy.
I'm going to சாப்பிடணுமா?
Now the tamarind chutney. You can add how much you want to have. This is going to be a little bit sour and sweet. Now the finishing touch is the save.
Okay? And then create one more drawing for that and use a bracket. That's called queries, okay? Substitution queries or something. Yeah. Queries, okay? QLEEAS.
They look like donuts though.
So, how did you go yesterday?
No, they don't.
Yeah, we can actually I talked about that one. I need to try it.
Super tasty and so simple chat, street food chat, spinach chat is ready to serve. Let's taste this.
You can't even bite the whole thing because it's so big.
Super இருக்கு. It's really yummy. So tasty. I think 4 pieces is not enough for one person. Try this recipe at home. You will definitely love it. Now Tanish is going to taste it. எப்படி இருக்கு Tanish? நல்லா இருக்கா?
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. It's the sauce makes it sweet. I feel like I've tasted this in a restaurant.
Yeah. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.